warning for ice jam flooding in southwestern Lake County until 3:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time Wednesday at 9:27 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Local law enforcement officials reported flooding because of an ice jam was occurring on the Chagrin River in Willoughby at Daniels Park. The river gauge on the Chagrin River at Willoughby at 9 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time was at 11.7 feet. Flood stage is 11 feet. If the ice jam breaks, the water level will go down, and another jam could form in a different spot. In the meantime, ice jam flooding will occur near and upstream of Daniels Park in Willoughby. Ice jam flooding can occur suddenly and advance into an area from an unusual direction. If you see water approaching, move away from the river to higher ground. Be especially cautious at night when it is harder to recognize the dangers of flooding. Do not stay in areas subject to flooding when water begins rising. Ice jams can be very unpredictable, and so specific river forecasts are unavailable or unrepresentative at locations that are impacted. Once the jam breaks up and the river returns to normal flow, then forecasts will be better able to predict expected conditions. Repeating, an aerial flood warning has been issued until 3:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time Wednesday for the following county: Lake County, Ohio. The forecast for Cleveland and vicinity.